Hello rave babes and welcome to another video. So if you can't see by the title of the video, I thought I would show you what I eat while I'm out camping. So yeah, let's just get into the video, bitches. Okay, I know I look crazy right now, but this is day 3 of camping. So we are 6 hours away in Pagosa Springs. I don't honestly even know if I'm saying that right, but yes, that is where we are at. If I shut the fuck up for a second, you might be able to hear the river behind us. Honestly, I don't know if you can hear it, but our campsite is right next to the river, so I have been going in there every morning. I'll insert a clip here really fast of our campsite. This is our view for the next few days. I'll walk close to you so you can hear the river. We're right by a river that we can swim in, and 2 waterfalls and a lake. But yeah, that is where we are staying. It is freaking amazing. We went to the reservoir yesterday. We're going to some waterfalls after I'm done here with this intro and eat. But yeah, I thought I would show you guys what I eat. Camping edition. As a vegan, I thought it would be fun. So let's just get into the video, you guys. I hope you enjoy this beautiful scenery. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, so I have my little stove set up. Not make anything special. I brought a whole ass jug of almond milk out here because I didn't want to waste it, and we're gonna use the rest. And I'm just gonna have that and apples and cinnamon freaking oatmeal. Okay, so I got my Country Life vitamins. I take these every morning. Iron and B12. Been using this brand for years now. I had stopped taking vitamins for a little bit. I think I said this in my last video, and then I was just like getting lethargic, and I don't even know why I stopped taking my vitamins. But yes. And you gotta stay hydrated. So, but yeah, I can take my vitamins and smoke and eat. Since I'm like making it a tradition on my channel, take out your blunts, your pipes, your bongs, your pieces, and take a fucking hit with me, bitch. This is the first blunt we've had in nature. We've literally been sitting out here smoking on the Puffco, just taking dabs. We've been kind of addicted to that. We haven't really smoked a lot of herb lately. But yeah, I hope you're getting high with me. I'm just smoking while my milk warms up. So, okay, I got me porridge. I'm just kidding, I got my oatmeal. I actually do like cream of wheat, but that's because my mom used to make it for me when I was a kid. But yes, I'm just going to eat this really quick. And we're gonna go find some waterfalls. This is soon as you leave the campground, that's what you see.
That is
up here and literally cold too. I don't know why I felt the need to update you all on this, but it is something I am ingesting for the day. And I'm drinking some watermelon White Claws. Yeah, they're gluten-free. We all know what fucking White Claws are, so yeah, I'm just drinking a few White Claws. Haven't eaten lunch yet because I am not hungry yet still, but when I am, I will update you guys. There's our campsite. Going down to the river. I probably should have my hands open, but so beautiful. Say hi. Okay, so I'm finally ready to eat my second meal of the day. We've been down in the river for like 2 hours or something now. And I'm going to make a wrap because I need to try to use as much of the fresh stuff as possible. So I have like spinach wrap, tortilla wrap, more spinach. Use the rest of these chickpeas, cucumber. I'm gonna use some vegan meats. This is like turkey, and then I have a ham one. I'm gonna put some of that on there, and then I have some Hidden Valley plant-based ranch. Not the best brand, but it is vegan. Yeah, I was gonna put avocado on there, but after freaking 3 days of and they're still not ripe yet, of being out here, they're still not ripe yet. So I'm just gonna make up a wrap really quick, and I'll see you guys when it's done. Okay, you guys, I made this big ass wrap. It's a little messy, but whatever. I'm super hungry, so I'm gonna eat this. I'll see you later. I thought I'd tell you guys really quick because I keep mentioning like this meat brand. I'm talking about like the tofurkey. It's like fake deli slices to make like sandwiches. It's soy based. So yeah, if you just look it up, tofurkey, they're like fake little deli meats for vegans. But yeah. Okay, you guys, so the last thing you saw was clips from us driving home. Later that day, we just ended up leaving that night instead of the morning after, so I'm home now. This is our kitchen space where all those big ass towers would be because our roommate left. So now we have a dining area again that hopefully I get a table in. But anyway, I did try to show you guys like what I ate that day and like some of an idea of what I eat as a vegan out in the middle of freaking nowhere. That is everything I ate that day. I didn't show you guys me eating grapes. Didn't think it mattered. I tried to eat as much grapes as I could because I didn't want to waste them. But yeah, I literally just ended up eating grapes, driving home, and now we're here. So I didn't really eat anything else that day. I know it was like the most random video. I also tried to show you some clips of what we did that day, like going to the waterfall and the river and all that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it was kind of all over the place, but I don't know what you expect from this channel, but I hope you liked this video. So hit that thumbs up button and go hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when my next video comes out. But later, you guys.